Hello, this is James again from Demark. Today we are going to deliver a 300 watts pulse type-less cleaning machine to our customer. And this one, you can take a look. You can take a close look. So this is new design. It's very good design, smaller than other machines. And we can take a close look. This is a button, emergency stop, start, and enable. And this is our control system. You can see. So you can change. This is the power, frequency, pulse width, and also you can change. You can see. Okay. And then here is scan mode. There's straight line, wave, rectangle, round, spiral, random, and two-dimensional wave. This is rectangle, triangle, and X type. Here is database. They are just providing different database for the different material like floor, paint, wood, rust, oxide, grease. Okay, so you can change. And here you can take loose. So this is the laser source, JBT, and it's JBT customized laser source for this machine. And here is the S8 water chiller, which is very good famous in China. So it's will keep the good temperature for the laser source in summer and in winter. So it can keep a stable temperature. Okay, and here this one is our just patented. This one is a patented. There's a new head, and here is a light. When the working, it will just green, and it's just airtight. So it's very light. One hand can hold. Okay. Let's look around this machine. Okay. Let's use a machine to test on the material like the car paint. And this is the stainless steel. Some just weld seam. And here this is the paint. This is the powder coating paint. And also we clean on some wood. So let's our engineer to do it. Okay. First, let's clean the powder coating. Okay. Okay, put in a safety position. Okay. So the pulse laser can clean the powder coating very well, and it will not damage the substrate material. And you can see there is no heat effect. It will not warp after cleaning. You can see the coating is cleaned very well, quick and clean. Okay. So this is a clean effect. The paint is cleaned, removed. No heat effect. Now we clean the wood. Okay.
想不着尽量这个要大一点。那这个要小一点。
OK。 Okay, so you see the paint is clean and no heat. You see, no heat. Very clean. Now let's clean the weld seam. Okay, so you can see the cleaning effect of the welding seam. The oxidization is cleaned. It's very white and smooth. Okay. Now let's do the cleaning on the car paint. So the paint is clean, and now this is another layer. Thank you for your time watching. If you are interested, please contact us.